Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Hello and thank you for clicking on the video of the Skoda Superb KV19YAP. This is the Superb hatchback SEL in petrol blue metallic paint. Part of the SEL specification is you get an electric tailgate and the all famous Superb boot. Full black leather interior throughout the vehicle, and it already has textile floor mats in here too. So the vehicle currently has extremely low mileage. It has 4,466 miles on the clock. As a standard feature on the car, you have adaptive cruise control and front and rear parking sensors, and then some of the optional equipment include the Canton sound system and the panoramic sunroof that does open. Thank you for watching. If you require any more information, please give us a call on 0208 686 8844. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.